So today I'm going to be reviewing the Wonder Particles Women's Care Probiotic tablet, and this has 16 probiotic strands. It's been clinically proven and tested, and one thing that I love about it is that it actually can be used against 60 billion bacteria. It has 30 capsules in it, so if you have to take it every day, you can take it. This is what the capsules look like. So this is the size of the capsule. You can see it's not so big. Capsule is very easy to swallow, and I'm gonna take the one that I'm taking today. As you can see, it went down very smoothly. One thing that I like about it is that after about 2 weeks, you start feeling better. I personally started feeling better. I felt my symptoms going away, and one thing is that if you have issues with your UTI and issues with your health and stuff, please be proactive in taking care of it and getting the right thing that you need to take care of it. So this is it. It's really nice, it's very handy, and I love the experience I have with it, and it helps me overall.